So first of all, we need to make sure that the ignition is off and the key has been removed. Then we go to the battery itself. This is an SLK 230. It's an R170 variant, and this is the battery. Now we have a negative and a positive terminal. Now normally the red cover will be on here, which is the positive, and this will just be black, which is negative. Now if you don't have the red cover on here, like here, what you need to do is look at the battery itself close up, and you see here there is a negative symbol just there, and if you go up here, where are we? There's a positive symbol. Always start with the negative terminal here. Now what you need to do is undo this nut here, and it's generally a 10mm socket like that. I mean, I've got this wrench, but you can also use a spanner. They often have, you know, the 10. And then when it's loose enough, you can just waggle that off like that. So just tuck it down the side so it's not connected to anything. And then we move to the positive here. Okay, that's loose, and that should just wiggle off now in the same fashion. There we go, that's both terminals undone. Now if you wanted to replace the battery, stick that down there, that's it. If you want to replace the battery, I mean this one's got a bracket, but they're all fixed in different ways inside the car, so what you'll have to do is look at the manufacturer's manual. If you are replacing the battery, there are very specific dimensions and sizes, and you particularly need to look for the voltage and the amperes. So, for example, this one requires a 12-volt battery and 75 amperes. I hope you found this video useful. Please press like and subscribe if you did. Thank you for your time.